tutorial, and today we'll be completing the very first app which we started, and in the last video tutorial we saw how to add controls from the object library, resize and do the alignment of controls, and then we used attributes inspector for specifying the properties for the controls. Then we defined an action button, and then we defined outlets and actions in the class extension, and we implemented the IBAction method. We also looked at the how to add the delegate function. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to enter a text in the text field, and this entered username we are going to assign it to a variable, and then we are going to concatenate welcome message along with this username and print it in the label or display it in the label. Also, we also saw a problem with our text field, in the sense the keyboard once we started typing in the text field, we didn't have an option to dismiss the keyboard. So today we will see how to actually dismiss the keyboard. So now let's go to Xcode. So the first thing which we are going to do is so let's just get rid of this nslog function, which we may not need now. And then we'll go to the display message. So this is the one which is going to print the message in the label. So here we are going to first assign the username entered in the text field to a variable. So we are going to define a variable of type string, and to access the variable either we can go for so we can either access a underscore text field, or you can say self.text field, and to retrieve the entered username, so you need to use the property text. Next we are going to print the welcome message. So let's define one more variable which says welcome message, and here we are going to concatenate the username along with the welcome message. So we'll be using a method as part of NSString object class. So we are going to use NSString with format, and then so what's the message? So you want to add welcome, so welcome, and then you want to print the username, so %add. Now enter the variable which holds the username. Now the last piece is what we need to do is we need to assign this to the text field. So again I'm going to use self dot the variable name, the property which is holding our UI label is label dot text is equal to welcome message. So now we have implemented the display message function. So now the other bit which we need to see is, so we have added we have assigned the text entered into a variable, and we have added welcome message to user and assign it to the label, and then now we have to implement the text field should return method, so that this dismisses the control. Now text field should return is a method which is available as part of text field, UITextField. Now we need to specify our view controller as a delegate to act on behalf of the UITextField. So first thing which we need to do is, so we need to go to our view controller header file and then implement UI text field delegate. Now your view controller can act on behalf of the text field. So the method which that needs to be implemented is bool text field should return. So this is the method. So automatically your Xcode should provide you this information once you start typing starting the first couple of letters of the method. Now what we are going to check is, we are going to just do a sanity check whether the text field, this is for the text field which is accepting the username, and what is that you need to do. So you need to say that, okay, the focus should go out from, or you need to say the focus should be away from the text field. So you're going to say text field resign first responder, and then we need to return a boolean yes for this method. So now we have implemented the text field should return method. Now let's try and run this app and see what happens. So I'm doing a command plus R, and your Xcode simulator should be launched. Now first let's see this difference. Okay, now you can start typing something, and now if you click done, you could see that the keyboard is getting dismissed. So now let me just type Ravi and then press return on your keyboard. So this should display welcome Ravi. So the text field should so the text field resign first responder fixes our problem with the keyboard, and the message is getting displayed in the video. Thank you.